Did you ever wonder why we say bless you when someone sneezes? While many believe it started during the bubonic plague when sneezing was a sign of impending illness, an even more intriguing origin lies in ancient Rome. Picture this, the year is 590 AD, and Rome is ravaged by a deadly plague. Pope Gregory I, in a desperate effort to safeguard his flock, decreed that any sneeze should be immediately followed by a blessing, God bless you, to protect the sneezer from falling victim to the plague. The Pope even organized processions and prayers to invoke divine intervention, believing that a sneeze expelled evil spirits from the body. This act of blessing became a widespread custom, intertwining religion and superstition, and has since persisted through the centuries. Next time you hear bless you, remember it's more than just a polite reflex, it's a centuries-old protective charm against unseen evils.